Cats choose their favorite spot to be warm and safe. Warm because cats have their optimal temperature around 35 degrees Celsius compared to humans 20 degrees Celsius. With their back free from other predators so that they can scan their surroundings. Cats sleep about 16-17 hours, so twice the amount that we sleep. The cats hunt mostly during dawn and dusk, and during daytime they sleep mostly. So that might be one reason why they sleep so much, but or it may plainly be that they enjoy it. The cats always decide where they want to be, where it feels most confident.